Hello everybody, it's Trams with the Spear here, and I do want to make an intro for this one. I think I also got another one that I made in the actual video. This is a very complicating video. This is probably the most chaotic video. I mean, the other one that you obviously saw last week was well, the worst one. This honestly could have been the worst one if it weren't for everything went well in the end. But yeah, this one was the Manchester Trams one, and you're probably thinking, what could go wrong with it? It turns out everything went wrong with it, or it could have everything went wrong. But at the start, the first day, everything seemed like it was really going bad. Now, this video, the Manchester Trams one, this is a situation I've never been in before, but I think many YouTubers have been in a situation probably like this once before. Vloggers, really. If you make just, sitting down, just playing on the computers on like video games, reacting to videos. If you're someone like Tyson that just reacts down, just does streams and all that, high shutter speed, you probably won't have a problem with that, with storage and that. But when it comes to this, vlogging and that, and videos like I make, there's a really big problem. My SD card managed to run out. So, yeah, one of the worst situations out there. It ran out pretty much mid-journey. We were on our way to the Trafford Centre in Manchester. We were from Piccadilly Gardens. But, yeah, everything pretty much went wrong, or it seemed like everything went wrong. I had to go, and trust me when I say this, I spent 2 hours. I had to head right back. I was originally going to have a very nice night there. We were going to head out to what was like a restaurant there or something in Trafford Centre. I don't know what it would have been, if it was McDonald's or just some random restaurant whatsoever, some of these times Manchester food. I had no idea, because, well, I was never able to experience it in the end. I had to go a 2-hour journey all around Manchester just to look around. We ended up having to go into Curry's PC World, to just literally get an SD card, and they're £19, and it's the exact one I'm using with this camera right now, which is filming me at this exact moment. So yeah, this face you're seeing right now, yeah, the SD card of the camera pretty much is filming it. Me. And yeah, this was a very big hassle. Luckily, we were able to get it, but at that rate, I was like, nah, we'll just do it tomorrow. So what will be happening is I will be uploading the part 1 for this week. I just decided to just do it because it almost seems like a separate day, and the part 2 will come out next week on Friday. Don't worry, these are weekly uploads at the moment. And I will make a compilation. I will combine both, but that will be after the Manchester series is over, because I don't really want to keep you lot waiting. I really don't think you lot will be very happy, like, yeah, screw this, you know what I mean? Just, yeah, wouldn't be very fun for you lot. So right now, everything going on, I will be just getting to the video now. Pretty much there's nothing else really got to say. You've been warned. This video may not be very long. I hope it's not 5 minutes or something like that. I've not even started editing yet. We'll have to get this on first. But yeah, I'll be getting into this now in 3, 2, 1, and... I hate doing these walking intros. I'm just going to say it first. But anyways, hey everyone, this is Trams with the Spear here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking in the Manchester Trams. I did a video of this quite a while back. I don't know when it was last year, but it was such a short video. It was only just me walking on the tram and then just seeing it go, and then yeah. Although today you just heard a honk, I guess. This time I'm actually going to go on an actual journey from Piccadilly Gardens to the Trafford Centre, which is one of my favourite malls. In fact, my favourite mall, I'd say, if you want to call it a mall, I've ever been to, pretty much. And I've been to quite a few. I've been to some around Europe, North America, and I've got to say, the Trafford Centre has always been my favourite one. So yeah, I'll be taking it on this journey there. It won't be called Piccadilly, from Piccadilly Gardens to the Trafford Centre, because that's just too particular in my opinion. I just think all day on the Manchester Trams is more suitable enough for this video. But anyways, I'll see you lot when we get to the station. So these are the tickets right at Trafford Centre. We will need to change at one point, but I guess in the end this is a night. Oh, it's not bad, is it?
Just stay there. Yeah, I'm going to jump on one back. I'm not going to chase you around Manchester. Just stay there and I'll come back there. Okay.
We are now approaching Deansgate Castlefield, where you can change for National Rail and free buses around the city centre.
I should point out this was never really my intention to do it in the dark, but unfortunately being mid-autumn, it's sort of it's the day before Halloween anyways. But yeah, it's from here. This is Deansgate. This is, if you lot were wondering, by the way.
I don't know if you know it's about the time that's even what is it? I don't know it's about the time that's even
I know how these lads work. It's just getting out there early. I'd rather wait up a bit than they're walking that late away. I was trying to think if they did it for the Whitney game, it was fine. It wasn't lost. That's weird.
This is a service to the Trafford Centre. The next stop will be Parkway.
It's only 20 past 5, it seems like it's much later.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe we just say puppies. We just say puppies. How long's the trip? Just an hour. Maybe we could, but it's like, you would have gone tomorrow, I'd have to wake up around it. Well, actually no, he's driving after me that. That's the people like, if he gets there like, what is that? What are you getting I think Lewis will want to come there. Yeah. Lewis doesn't move up. I think they will not.
Wait guys, who's gonna know who they can see?
When we say we come, say my best. By the time we get back, we'll be up. I'll get lunch first. Huh? No. I feel like he wants to prove himself for the place.
I have absolutely no idea that that's my only thing.
Especially if you did play it.
I'm not going to worry,
Well, don't worry anyway.
Any problem is that I've bought another SD card, so that's the case. And if we couldn't find it,
It'd be shit.
well, I'm not going to think about
So
that.
much.
It's probably the case.
What I do? What I do? She talking to herself. It's because she has it all.
You probably saw that delay. What delay? You probably saw that. We didn't really make it to our destination. That's because my SD card decided to fill up at just the best time ever, didn't it? Oh, it was a nightmare. Basically, what happened, I had to go to a Curry's. I had to travel right back to where we came, Piccadilly Gardens. And that took about an hour. I think it took an hour just to get the SD card back. But luckily, we managed to get it back in another mall. We managed to find right next to the hotel I'm at right now. So yeah, very, very good. It was a bit of money, quite a bit, but still luckily able to get it back. I was not prepared for that whatsoever. I saw a little flashing thing on camera screen, and I was just like, it's just the SD card, because it's never actually filled up on me on a video, and it was pretty much brand new, so I don't know what on earth happened there. I definitely haven't made too much, because I've made a hell lot more in the past, but whatever the case is, maybe I'll be more wary. I don't know. I'm not going to try and be paranoid during this series, because it's just, yeah. But it's alright. You know, I've got like a few more to make, and then, yeah, well, I've got this video to make now, haven't I? So, let's get on with it. I do apologise for this, and, this will not happen. I promise this won't happen again on this trip, seriously, and if it does, I'm actually going to consider buying a brand new camera, because I don't have the camera SD card.
Very honest, 7 hours. 7 hours of SD card time. This my SD card didn't run out on this journey. No, at least my SD card didn't run out on this journey.
Well, it's all a little chaotic here right now. I'm in the traffic centre, and I just want to show you this beautiful roof. I'm going to get a few scenes in here when I'm at it, you know. I think there's some because some areas in this mall are really, really good, but otherwise that, you'll pretty much see me at the traffic centre. I'm just waiting for a meal to come right now. I've just got McDonald's for breakfast because I have absolutely nothing. I'd rather have a bit of a lane, because I'm sorry, I had a bit of a lane. I didn't really want to, but it was so stressful. What happened yesterday about that SD card, I just had to. So, you know, it's about 11 o'clock right now. But yeah, I've got a Blackpool today as well, so yeah, you'll see me on the way back on the trams. I'll try and get more, because there's also daylight as well. It'll be a lot more scenic for you lot, unlike being at night, where you pretty much virtually nothing. Although you do get secret lights, which are quite nice. But otherwise, I'm just going to leave you lot to it for now. And yeah, I'll catch you lot in a bit. See you. I just point out how beautiful this mall is. Absolutely beautiful. Quite an expensive mall. If you're sort of like me and don't have the most money, I would not really come here if I were you. Actually work hard and I guess you'll pretty much buy that entire store. I don't know, because everything there is goddamn expensive. So yeah, I wanted something I had to order off Amazon. I just use Amazon, everyone. Don't give those malls the time. And also there's McDonald's now, so don't ask why. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, this is what trams look more like in the daytime. Not like the others. Right, let's go on. Let's head towards the back.
This is a service to Deansgate Castlefield. The next stop will be Deansgate Castlefield.
About corn, but you get an extra like Piccadilly. Right, Piccadilly, it ends up Piccadilly. So obviously I said that I know I said I'm sending to Piccadilly Gardens, I'm sending them in the city now, so I'm heading over to Blackpool in a bit. You'll see the rest of the journey in the next video from Manchester to Blackpool. Really do hope you enjoyed it. And I'll leave you up to it. This is a bit of an outro, so yeah, I'll leave you up to it for now.